Market liquidity sucks. The lack of it makes trading really challenging. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, October the 26th. And these markets have zero liquidity as we continue to see, in my opinion, some outside forces trying to push them around, keeping food prices low and oil low while trying to get the equities to rally a little bit. And again, if I had to accuse, which I don't accuse, but I might look at Saudi Arabia, China, and Russia as participants in trying to manipulate this election a little bit by markets, and we'll see what happens here. People tend to forget that we were paying $2 a gallon for gas, not close to $5. Okay, but in the meantime, it is what it is. As we look at markets, and it's a really mixed picture with the Dow and the Russell both higher. We're long the Dow, we're short the Russell. The Nasdaq and the S&P lower, and we're short the Nasdaq and long the S&P now as of this morning. Okay, which we bought lower than it is now, but again, by the time you get this, it could be lower. Okay, in the meantime, crude, which was much lower, is now much higher, and of course, the EIA numbers are coming out shortly, so we'll see what it does to crude, but we're still short. Gold and silver are both higher today. Again, we had a housing number that are pushing these up, and we'll see where they go from here, but they don't look all that great. We remain short. Bonds and notes are trying to charge once again. Now, again, I'm a seller. Interest rates are going higher. I don't care what anybody says. They're going higher, and the bonds and notes got to come lower. So in the meantime, they are higher, and we are short them. Okay. The dollar is lower once again, and we're seeing a little bit of pressure now. That back to 110, which is some support. Euro currency is we're long dollars, short euro currency. Euro currency is higher again over par. It's actually at par and 72. So we'll see where we go from here. But again, I think the euro's going to 88 cents. Bitcoin's having a little bit of a rally here. We're still short. Copper is higher and we're long. Natural gas is lower and we're short. And I had a nice rally yesterday. Again, not good for us. But in the meantime, again, this lack of liquidity, the thinness in markets is just absolute murder. In the grain markets, they're kind of mixed. Corn and wheat are both around the flat line. And beans are a little bit higher. We're short beans, short wheat, long corn. And the protein complex, feeders are a little bit higher. Fats are a little bit lower. And we're short both forms of cattle. Hogs are flat and we're long. In the softs, cocoa is flat. We're long. Cotton is we call it flat and we're short. Sugar is lower. We're long. OJ is higher. Record highs. And we're still long. And coffee's getting crippled once again and we're still short. So again, this is just a really tough market to deal with. Okay, I'm going to play poker today. So you can see me at Rivers Casino in Chicago if you want to see me, because I'm out of here very shortly to go to the poker room because there ain't nothing to do here. And wasting my time trying to beat my head against the wall and illiquid markets make no sense. Remember our sponsors, scrolling on the side, Capital Trading Group, Trade Your Brokerage, and of course our high school program. And in the meantime, have a great day. And again, if you're going to trade, just be careful. Again, these conditions suck if you're an active trader. I'll see you tomorrow, everybody. Have a great day. Bubba's Daily Update.